Applications of inorganic acids. The applications of inorganic acids, a comprehensive overview. Inorganic acids are a type of strong acids that are widely used in various industries due to their unique properties. They are characterized by their ability to donate hydrogen ions, protons, in aqueous solutions, resulting in acidic characteristics. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the different applications of inorganic acids. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is one of the most commonly used inorganic acids globally. It is widely used in the production of fertilizers, detergents, and various chemicals. Sulfuric acid is also used in the production of lead-acid batteries, which are used in automobiles and other applications. Sulfuric acid is also used in the mining industry for the extraction of metals such as copper, zinc, and nickel. It is used to leach the metals from their ores, a process known as heat bleaching. Sulfuric acid is also used in the production of synthetic fibers, such as nylon, and in the petroleum industry for the refining of crude oil. Nitric acid. Nitric acid is another commonly used inorganic acid, primarily used in the production of fertilizers, explosives, and various chemicals. Nitric acid is used in the production of ammonium nitrate, a common fertilizer. It is also used in the production of explosives, such as TNT and nitroglycerin. Nitric acid is used in the semiconductor industry for the production of microchips. It is also used in the production of dyes, pharmaceuticals, and plastics. Nitric acid is used as an oxidizing agent in various chemical reactions, including the oxidation of metals and the conversion of alcohols to aldehydes or ketones. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid widely used in various industries, including the production of PVC, rubber, and various chemicals. Hydrochloric acid is used in the steel industry for the pickling of steel, a process that removes impurities from the surface of the steel. Hydrochloric acid is also used in the oil and gas industry for the stimulation of oil and gas wells. It is used to dissolve the minerals and other impurities that clog the pores of the rock, allowing for the release of oil and gas. Hydrochloric acid is also used in the food industry for the production of various food products, such as gelatin and corn syrup. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is another commonly used inorganic acid, primarily used in the production of fertilizers, food additives, and various chemicals. Phosphoric acid is used in the production of phosphate fertilizers, which are widely used in agriculture. Phosphoric acid is used in the food industry as a food additive, primarily as an acidulant. It is also used in the production of soft drinks, such as cola. Phosphoric acid is used in the production of detergents and other cleaning products, as well as in the production of flame retardants. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak acid widely used in the production of various chemicals, such as vinyl acetate, acetic anhydride, and cellulose acetate. Acetic acid is also used in the production of various food products, such as vinegar and pickles. Acetic acid is used in the textile industry for the production of various fibers, such as rayon and acetate. It is also used in the production of photographic film and in the manufacturing of plastics and synthetic fibers. Hydrofluoric acid. Hydrofluoric acid is a highly corrosive inorganic acid used in various industries, including the petroleum, pharmaceutical, and semiconductor industries. It is used in the petroleum industry for the refining of gasoline and other petroleum products. Hydrofluoric acid is also used in